use the chrono on a fossil watch, you just have to press that button on the upper right. And as you can see, this second hand just start just right here. So you have 60 seconds here, and you also have the minutes just right there, which have 30 minutes in total. When you're done, you can press that button to make a pause and that one to make a reset. So the hand returns to 0. And know that you also have a third timer. In fact, you can turn that. So you see, I just put the point on the minute hands, and I now have a new timer. So I will know that when it comes back to there, it will be half an hour.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!